So, Kira, we also covered levelling up within the document. This was a white paper from government. Give us a bit of a summary.
Yeah, so this is a bit of jargon that you literally cannot avoid at the moment. It is everywhere. So the white paper is the actual detail that we've all been lacking for so long about this. It's government's way to try and increase public investment and push it outside of the southeast of England and up to the red wall, as they call it. I noticed even Michael Gove, the Secretary of State for Levelling Up, was talking recently about relocating the House of Lords temporarily to Stoke-on-Trent as part of this. So we'll see what comes of that. But for BMA members and for business in general, there's a lot of incentive in here to try and encourage investment, to try and encourage high productivity and future, and to drive the growth in the economy that the government so desperately wants to see in the future.